Good morning. Today is Friday, June 5th, 2020. Today will be the last morning meeting that I will film. It has been raining on and off down here. Yeah. But I know a few weeks ago I talked about, it's pink and yellow actually. So a few weeks ago I talked about how certain flowers in my garden and how our peonies get to be so big. And here it is on the very last meeting, perfect timing. I get to show you one of these peonies and how it is literally the size of my palm. And they smell so sweet, and how I wish I could cut one and bring it to class so you guys could see it and smell it and examine its parts and see, all right, how is this flower set up? Like, how is it different than other flowers? Anyways, I miss that a lot. And that's why today, when I'm talking about what I have awe and wonder for, what I have awe and wonder for is you guys. Each and every one of you. This time has been really hard, and it's been stressful. Had times I'm sure you've been bored and frustrated. I'm sure there's maybe even been fear, and maybe you were excited at first that you weren't going to be at school, but and maybe it's worked out really well that you've been at home. But I definitely know that there are things that I miss. So I'm really in awe and wonder of you and the work that you've put in over the past 2 months, learning from home and interacting in the Google Classroom and attending Zoom meetings, whether it's math or writing or sharing out projects or just one of our meetings to talk and catch up, and I really miss you guys. And I think back, okay, we're gonna have to go inside soon because it's gonna rain again. I can smell the rain in the air. I don't know, do you guys ever have that? I can definitely smell rain coming in the air. And the clouds are moving so fast right now. Wow. Anyways, that's something also to be in awe and wonder of. But I think back specifically to how each and every one of you, I can think back to the beginning of the school year and where you were, and as the year progressed, how far you've come and all that you've learned. And maybe the last trimester has been a very different type of learning, but it's just amazing to see how you guys have grown in your responsibility and your organization and some of the amazing projects that you've created. And when I think of the 5th graders and 6th graders, not just where you were in the beginning of this school year, but in the beginning of your time as a 4th grader. So even though today is a Friday, that is a records day technically, I am still hosting a 1:30 meeting where you can share any work, and we can also have some discussion, and I just catch up and talk. I really miss you guys. And next week, I sent out last night a schedule of the Zoom meetings that we'll be having for our last week of school, some fun activities. So I really hope that you'll join us so we can end the year with some fun. I miss you guys, and I will see you at the Zoom calls next week. Goodbye.